off to the road.
What's up, guys, friends, family, fans, subscribers, followers, all of you guys, adventure enthusiasts? I am in the Big South Fork National Park today. National River and Recreation Area. Joined by my hiking partner. What's your trail name?
Wildflower.
Wildflower. Hiking partner, junior ranger, and oldest daughter, Ella Blackwell. So, we are...
And you have another hiking buddy.
We got another hiking buddy with us. What's her name?
Carrots.
Carrots is hiking along with us today. So me and Ella are actually doing a very big hike. We're going to it'll be about 16 miles. We are starting here at Leatherwood Ford. We're gonna try to get up to Angel Falls Overlook today. Yeah, guys, the river. We're gonna try to get up to Angel Falls Overlook tonight, which I don't think will be a problem. It should be about 3 or 4 miles, not sure. Need to get my map out. We were originally going to start at O&W, but we got a little late start. We've done O&W before, and the parking situation isn't as good at O&W as it is at Leatherwood. It's just kind of like along a gravel road there. So anyways, we're going to be camping tonight, hiking tomorrow on to towards from here, or from Angel Falls Overlook. We're going to go on to get out of the road, from Angel Falls Overlook. We're going to go on to past Grand Gap Loop and on to Station Camp Creek Crossing, where that Parch Corn Trail, all of them so at the Station Camp Creek Crossing is where we're going from there, and then from there to the lodge. So I've actually done this trail up to Angel Falls Overlook before. Me and Ella have done this trail, but past that I've not gone down the John Muir Trail. I've actually up there at the top, I've gone towards John Litton. So anyways, we are currently crossing the bridge here at Leatherwood. Now we are taking our first steps on the trail. Here we go to
There's a marker.
Angel Falls Overlook.
Mark.
Yep, there's a marker. Wonder what those markers mean. All right, guys, well, enjoy the trip. Which bridge is that?
The one you had the Gary Diva across?
Yep.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. A step back.
So we have made it. We're off Big South Fork River, still on the John Muir Trail. We'll be on the John Muir Trail till Station Camp, and we made it to where Fall Branch comes into. Oh, good campsite. We made it to where Fall Branch comes into the Big South Fork River, and I don't know if we'll camp here or not, babe. Maybe. And we made it where Fall Branch comes into the Big South Fork River. And the bridge is out. The bridge that goes over Fall Branch Creek is out. And there's trees that have just demolished this trail. Like, totally different scenery than it was. They've rerouted the trail completely. Nevertheless, still a very awesome hike. Still is the reroute right here. Okay, I didn't realize that. Is it? Maybe so. I guess we cross the creek here and go there. I was just looking at that, how worn that was over there, and then I realized, well, if it doesn't go back here, yep, take you and Bun, take you a break, you and Carrots. You having fun so far? Yeah. So anyways, yeah, we're looking for a campsite pretty much. I'm gonna try to make it up to Angel Falls Overlook. I don't think I'll have any problem doing that. And then we're gonna set up camp for the night and have some, as Ella calls it, some camping lasagna.
To see the truth around you, from a distance you can tell.
Well, we just took a wrong turn coming up with all this detour and fallen trees. We took the trail split and I didn't notice, and we went straight and we were supposed to switch back, and luckily it didn't look familiar. It started going down and I knew we were supposed to be going up, and luckily I seen this guy and I asked him. He said, oh no, you missed it, thank goodness. And we didn't go very far. We got turned around and we're back on track, headed to Angel Falls Overlook. It's gonna be beautiful. Hopefully there will be some kind of sunset we'll be able to see. If not, it's all good. We'll see the sunrise in the morning. I just wanted to make it up here tonight for sure. That keeps us on track with our 6-8 miles a day. So all right, we'll see you guys at the top. We made it to the Angel Falls Overlook campsite. I've stayed here before with Daniel Meadows and his crew. Nate Pippin, a bunch of other nice folks I met. Long time ago, it's probably been 5 years ago. Last time I've been up here. And we stayed in this exact site.
Hi guys.
So glad to be here. It's starting to rain again, and we're gonna get our tent set up and hopefully get some food going.
Hi,
Go check out the Overlook.
Hi guys. Can we?
Okay, so got my new tent set up. I've had this tent for about a year now. Haven't got to use it yet. This is my cheap ultralight tent. It's really a 2-person, but I use it as a 1-person for if I have a kid with me. But it's a Lanshan 3FUL2. It's a cheap Chinese tent. It's a knockoff of the Z-Packs Duplex, but it's nylon. It's really lightweight. It's hike and pole tent. It's all hiking poles and tent stakes and guide wires. Guy wires. So I'm actually pretty satisfied for it. You can get them for like 55 bucks, which is awesome compared to the $600 Z-Packs Duplex or Plexamid. So anyways, we got the tent set up. I'm gonna get the mat down, the blanket out, get everything set up on the inside, get everything in the tent because it's definitely gonna rain. It's been raining all day. And then we're going to get us some dinner going. Not sure if we'll make it out to the Overlook tonight. I just want to get everything settled before we go. Okay, so we got all of our fodder collected. Key to a good backcountry fire is lots and lots of fodder. Lots of different sizes.
And lots of different farts.
Yes, and you want to have lots of dry, small, medium, and large stuff before you even light your first flame, or you'll be piddling with it for hours trying to get it going. So anyways, I'm hoping I can do 1 lighter strike and get this bad boy going. And then we're going to get some water boiling and some lasagna soaking.
Yummy lasagna.